Hi all, welcome to Electraspirant, an assistance to electrical students for objective type exam preparation. So it is an initiative from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Christ College of Engineering, Irinjalakuda. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the questions from 76 to 100 of the exam, electrician exam to the agriculture department by the Kerala PSC in the year 2016. The 76th question is: the large transformer stepped core arrangement is used to minimize the use of option A core, option B copper, option C hysteresis loss, option D core loss. Here the answer is option B copper. Okay, because we are using different types of core construction in transformers, like square type core construction and cruciform type core construction, that is two-stepped core type core construction and three-step type core construction, etc. So when the number of steps increases, so we have to use a less amount of windings, that is less amount of copper. Okay, so here the answer is option B. Next question is: examine the commutator and brushes. Option A weekly maintenance, option B monthly maintenance, option C daily maintenance, option D yearly maintenance. So for commutator and brushes, weekly maintenance is required. Okay, so option A is correct. Next question is: in DC generator, the voltage drop of copper carbon brush is about. Normally, the voltage drop of brushes are treated as 2 volt. So the option B is correct, 2 volt. Next one is: alternator voltage regulation is determined by EMF method. It is due to option A Rotherham, option B Ben-Eisenberg, option C Faraday, and option D Pointer. Here the option B is correct, Ben-Eisenberg, because his work focused on AC technology, that is in AC alternators including asynchronous motor, asynchronous machines, and AC single phase motor, which marked a major turning point in electrical technology. So option B is correct here. Next one is: the starting torque of capacitor start capacitor run is about. Option C is correct, 300% of full load torque. So the starting torque will be 300 300% of the full load torque of a induction motor. Next question is: the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Here the option B is correct, that is Alexander Cunningham was the first Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. Next one is: name the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiards title. Here option A is correct, that is Wilson Jones won the first World Amateur Billiards title. Okay, first Indian. He was the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiards title. Next question is: in which place the Great Victoria Desert is located? So this desert is located in Australia. So option D is correct. Option D. Next one is: name the Kerala ruler who gave his country to Sri Padmanabha as Trippadidana. So option C is correct, Martanda Varma. Okay, the great Martanda Varma gave his country as Trippadidana to Sri Padmanabha. Option C is correct. Next one is: who was known as Frontier Gandhi? The Frontier Gandhi is the Gan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. So option C is correct. Next one is: in which year Mountbatten Plan was announced in India? So the Mountbatten Plan was announced in India in the year in 1947. That is option A is correct, 1947. Next question is: director of the film Thomas explaining about partition of India. So the director of the film Thomas is the Govind Nihalani. That is option B is correct. Option B. Next one is, in which year Sadhu Jana Paribalana Yogam established? So this is established in the year 1907. So option C is correct. Next one is, name the event which is related to Savarna Jada. So here option D is correct. That is Vaikam Satyagraha is related to Savarna Jada. Next one is, what is the name of spice which is called as Yavanapriya? Here the Yavanapriya is the pepper. Okay, option B, pepper is the correct answer. Next one is, who was the Viceroy of India during the time of round table conferences? So at that time the Viceroy of India was Lord Irwin. That is option D is correct. Next one is, the first person who offered individual satyagraha in Indian freedom movement. So that was led by Vinoba Acharya Vinoba Bhava. So option A is correct. 92. Option A is correct. The next one is, in which year historic Lahore session of Indian National Congress held? So the session was held in the year 1929. That is option B is correct. Next one is, which is the name of commission sent to India to inquire about the work of Government of India Act of 1919? Here the option C is correct. Simon Commission. Which is the birthplace of Mar Kuriakose alias Chavara? The birthplace of Chavara father is of Kainagari. So option D is correct. Next one is, Pathanam was situated in the banks of river Periyar. Option C is correct. 96C. Next question is, the Yakung river in India is known as option A, Brahmaputra. This Yakung is a name in Tibet. Okay, Brahmaputra's name in Tibet, and also it is known as Jamuna when it reaches Bangladesh. Next question is, the power to prorogue the Lok Sabha rests with option B is correct, President. Next one is, who is the founder of Samatva Samaj? Option D is correct. Vaikunta Swamigal is known as the founder of Samatva Samaj. And the last question is, the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. Political guru of Mahatma Gandhi is Gopalakrishna Gokhale. Option A is correct. So I hope all of you understand the answers well. Thank you.